Hello, everybody. Welcome to Craftive. For today's craft, we'll be making straw easels. Hey, Mom, come join me.
These straw easels are a great way to use up old straws from the last celebration. Now let's get started. We are going to make 2 different size easels with just 6 paper straws. Take 2 straws and place a mark at the 2-inch. Then set them aside. Now grab 3 straws and find the center. Mark it and cut them in half. Oops, that one got away from us. It's okay, we don't need it. We have one more measurement. Grab 2 half straws and place a mark at the 1-inch. We are ready to assemble now. Place the 2 full-size straws in an A form with the 2-inch marks at the bottom facing you. These marks help us when aligning the crossbar. Hold down at the top, put glue on the dots, and set the crossbar in place. Find the half straws with the 1-inch mark and repeat the steps, using a half straw as another crossbar. Grab the last half straw and pinch the tops of the 3 straws. This makes it easier to place in between right before you hot glue. Put a generous amount of glue and hold until dry. Repeat these steps with the full-size straws. As you are gluing, try to keep about a 30-degree angle as shown here. You can always add more glue because the next step we're going to cover it all up with ribbon. To finish them off, slide some ribbon through and tie a knot. Look how cute these are!